Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your favorite CapCut templates with your friends. So here I'm going to go to the templates, and here you can just find the templates that you want to share. For example, I'm going to share this mini vlog aesthetic template. Okay, so to share it, you can just click on the three dots icon on the template and then find the platform or where you want to share with your friends. For example, I'm going to share it through Instagram. So click on this Instagram button, and here you can select the account who that you want to share it. So click on send button and click on done. So it will be sent through a direct message like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.